When it comes to YouTube, most channels fall into one of two categories: education or entertainment. Educational channels are all about sharing tutorials, knowledge, and insights, while entertainment channels focus more on stories, creativity, and fun experiences. These two categories have shaped how people watch content online and continue to be the most popular styles that audiences come back to again and again. Now, what if you could create content for either of these categories with simple editing skills? That's where AI comes in. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use MootionAI to create videos for both education and entertainment. Whether your goal is to explain something valuable or engage viewers with creative storytelling, MootionAI offers practical tools to help you get started. Let me walk you through the MootionAI dashboard so you know exactly where everything is. Head over to Mootion.com. You can either search for it or use the link in my description. Once you're on the site, you'll find a clean and easy-to-use interface. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options. Generate is where you'll find the main tools for creating videos. Under My Projects, all your work is neatly organized. Gallery gives you access to a large library of projects where you can explore examples and get inspiration. Finally, Asset Studio provides extra tools like background remover and style transfer. To get started, head over to the Generate section. Here you'll see multiple options for creating different styles of videos. For example, general creation, history for kids, horror stories, and more. For this tutorial, I'll begin with an educational video by selecting Autobiography. Once I click on it, the interface for creating that type of video will appear. Here you can either create a video using just a prompt or work with your own content or script. For this tutorial, I'll use the Generate from Prompt feature. Simply type your idea into the prompt box. For example, I entered Martin Luther King Jr., the dream that still echoes. Next, choose the output language from the list of available options. You can also choose an AI avatar if you'd like, but for this tutorial, I'll continue without one. Next, set the aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube videos, 9:16 for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, and 1:1 for posts. I'll select 16:9 for this project. Finally, pick a visual style. Since this is a biography, minimalistic feels like the right choice. So I'll select that and click Generate, after which MootionAI will analyze the topic and start preparing a script, storyboard, and images. The process takes just a few minutes, so let's give it a moment to complete. Once the process is complete, you'll see that MootionAI has generated 7 scenes for us, each with its own image. If you're not satisfied with any image, you can regenerate it, edit it, or even upload your own. To regenerate, simply click Regenerate. You can also adjust the prompt for more specific results and then click Generate again. To bring more motion into the video, you can animate the scenes. You can either animate them individually or all at once. When animating a single scene, there's a prompt box where you can describe the animation style you want. For this tutorial, I'll let the tool decide. I'll enable high quality for better results and click Generate. After a short wait, the animation will be ready. If you'd like to animate all scenes at once, just click Animate All, enable high quality, and confirm by clicking OK. The tool will then generate the animations for every scene. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Next. Here you can set the title, add subtitles using one of the available templates, and select a thumbnail or cover image for your video. You can also apply effects to your scenes. For this project, I'll add a subtle mini-zoom. Then choose a scene transition. I personally prefer cross blur, so I'll select that. Next comes an important step, the voiceover. MootionAI provides a variety of voice options, so you can pick the one that best fits your video. If you'd like, you can also add an avatar at this stage, but I'll skip that and move on to AI music. Here, I'll keep the volume low and select a suitable background track. After setting everything up, click Composite and wait while the tool generates the final video. During this process, MootionAI also provides a video summary, suggested hashtags, and a copy of your script, all of which can be useful for publishing. And now our video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
Martin Luther King Jr. rose from the depths of American segregation to emerge as the face of the civil rights movement. Born in Atlanta, Georgia, in 1929, he grew up witnessing racial injustice and resolved to fight it. Key events defined his journey: his doctoral degree from Boston University, his leadership in the Montgomery bus boycott, and his stirring "I Have a Dream" speech. His commitment to non-violent protest inspired countless individuals to stand up against racism. King's emphasis on equality and justice showed an unyielding courage and compassion. Assassinated in 1968, his legacy continues to inspire champions of peace and equality worldwide. This is Martin Luther King Jr., and this is how his dream still echoes.